We cannot be expected to engage on criminal activities.
Okay.
Yes, we need to maintain law and order in Johannesburg. Yes, we can't engage on activities that promotes anarchy. And that's why I said, when there are invasions, law enforcement must respond. You know, it's about law, it's about order, it's about dealing with anarchy, you know, it's about maintaining order in Johannesburg for the sustainable development of the city.
Yes.
Because all our vacant properties are getting invaded. So how are we going to plan for development if all the vacant spaces are getting invaded?
Will you look at rapid land release?
Well, there is a process to that. Even Southern Farms, we've got service stands that will be provided for those that have financial capacity to build houses for themselves. So, and that's why I always say people must engage themselves in legal processes, in processes that are dictated to by our own bylaws and by our own council processes. You see, because now people will go and invade land and come with demands that we are not going to meet. Because under no circumstances we are going to take government resources, you know, and invest them into illegal activities. We are not going to do that. We want to do things by law. We want to do things guided by our own processes so that we are able to afford everyone a fair and equal opportunities in Johannesburg.
One final question. Is there
Policy that we utilize for all the allocations in Johannesburg, be a service stand, an RDP house, a community rental unit, a social housing, a first home finance house, there is a policy that guides us in terms of the allocation. So and I urge everyone to engage in that process and not take the law into their own hands, because we will then have to then deploy the law enforcement agencies to respond, and we don't want to be at loggerheads with our residents. You know, yeah.
MMC with
Because as and when invasions occurs, law enforcement must respond immediately, and they were advised immediately when invasion took place. So they can now come back and say they are waiting for us to get an eviction order. Who must do that? Because they are the law enforcement agents which are expected to respond and protect the property of council. So they must go to court and do that, not human settlements. Because it's not our responsibility to respond. We are not a law enforcement agents. So whoever said that was wrong, yes, and I can even raise it with their MMC. Yes, because they must not send officials who do not understand the processes into meetings where decisions are taken. Yes.
Thank you so much, MMC.